What's going on? So today what I want to create is a Next.js app where I can kind of create some notes or documentation in Markdown and kind of get a preview next to it. We're going to be using Trae. It's an IDE by TikTok. I believe it's TikTok. It has basically all the functionality the cursor does, except it's all free. So we may run into some traffic issues where there's too many requests or something, but we can. It doesn't take long to kind of get it going. So the first thing we're going to be doing is just creating this project. We're going to be doing this. Yes, guess there's like a new next version every week or something. Alright, but we're going to be calling it Markdown Previewer Next. We're going to set all the defaults, so we want TypeScript, ESLint, Tailwind, yes. No source directory, it'll be app router, yes, turbo pack. We don't need to do that. Alright, the app is being created. While the app is being created, you know what? No, we're gonna do whatever he wants to do. So styling, any libraries, we're just gonna let it do everything for us. I want to see how long it takes us to get an actual working prototype. There's nothing gonna be being saved, no authentication, no database. I just want to see if we can build it, and then if it works well, we can work on adding something like Neon or Supabase and click authentication, but for now we'll just be doing this. Alright, so we're going to be doing this. What? Markdown Preview Next. Perfect. Honestly, I know this looks like JetBrains, but it's really just VS Code. And honestly, I love it. I love the look of it. They have a chat functionality like cursor does, and also a builder, which is it's what we're gonna be building, which creates files. It allows us to, it recommends commands to run. It doesn't run it, but it recommends it. So perfect. So first off, let's run this just to make sure there's no issues, which I'm assuming there won't be. Perfect. Alright, sweet. Alright, so this is what we're going to be doing. This is our prompt. This is a brand new Nextjs 15 app using app router and Tailwind. App TypeScript and Tailwind CSS. We don't need to specify that, but whatever. I want to create a single page where I can write some documentation and Markdown, and on the left side of the screen and get a real-time preview on the right side. Feel free to recommend any libraries to install. I think that's pretty much it. I don't think we need much more, at least for now. Well, let's do, I want to be able to save. Actually, I want to be able to create folders and notes within these folders, or notes / docs within these folders. database, yeah. So feel free to use either a file or just local storage. Alright, that's it. So we'll start with this. I'm already on the page.tsx, so let's see if it picks up on these things. Alright. With the split screen layout for Markdown parsing, I recommend using a library called React Markdown or Art with syntax highlighting. Alright, so I think I need to understand the current project structure. It's just a branding bit. Okay, perfect. Yup, app layout. Alright, awesome. And then package JSON, I really don't have anything, so perfect. Let's run this. It'll open up a brand new terminal. It'll install these libraries. Hopefully there's no issues. Oh, sweet. Alright. You ran them. Oh my god, that's funny. I didn't even realize I had like UTM parameters here. That's awesome. Alright. It's creating our first component. Nice. I'm loving this. I wish I was able to see like what it's thinking about doing in files, but that's fine. And we are using Cloud 3.7. People tell me it's free to use, but I have a free account, and I guess I've used it. Yeah, that's true. I guess I have used it. Alright, so I created our first component. Alright. Wonder what the problem is here. Property inline does not exist in type, class attributes, HTML element, extra props. Alright. And style also, it's not assignable type, key, string. Okay. Well, look at these things. We'll skip this because I'm already running it. It seems like that's pretty much it. What's in the page layout? Is this all it's doing? Alright. Markdown error. Dynamic. Okay. SSR false. Okay. Point isn't necessary because it uses browser APIs like local storage. I had no idea that was a thing. Okay, nice. Yes, let's just run it. Alright, we'll delete the other one. Alright, perfect. It installed it. I want to see this configuration. It's plugin which is installed. Okay, so is this a new file or has this always been here? Interesting. App global. Okay, perfect. Alright, guess it's done. Let's see. Ah, Jesus. File had an error. Alright. We'll just do this. I got this error. I wonder how it, like LLMs kind of look at all these characters. Perfect. So I guess it'll edit this once again. Client component wrapper for the Markdown. Okay, nice. Sure, we'll accept that. I wonder what it'll do to the page. It'll probably just remove it. Alright, accept. It better, brother. It better recognize this. Wait, what? Brother. Let's run the Nextjs element server. Okay, nice. Perfect. bro, I can't wait to when it can actually read like Markdown errors and stuff. Oh, okay. Yes, we're gonna accept this. Perfect. Alright, we're gonna skip this. It'll probably check the state of this file again. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Whoa, okay. Test folder. Alright. We'll create a note here. Oh, nice. Test docs. Alright, so this is a test. Why is it formatting the headings? What about lists? What about checks? Alright, so here's our first problem, which is we're just gonna go ahead and fix. It's perfect. Perfect, thank you. The app runs perfectly. The only issue is that I don't get an actual preview of the Markdown. I just get plain text without formatting. For example, just do this. Does not preview as a heading 1. Check marks and list don't preview either. It's all just plain text. Dude, it's still crazy. Like, there's obviously uncategorized, there's a test folder. I could just create a brand new. This is just crazy, man. I wonder what it looks like. Oh yeah, definitely not mobile friendly for now. We'll see if we get it working. We may try and do something. Alright, so looking at this. Markdown editor component. I am getting these errors here. Inline. Maybe I'll just go with that next. If this doesn't fix anything, I'll just go ahead and like. But it does seem like it's doing styles and everything. Match 1. Okay, so I think this is, yeah, okay, nice. So if I want to document like Python code or JavaScript code, it would just, I think. I'll have to see. I've never used this library, so we'll see. Okay, nice. I guess it's doing some changes here. Or it might do some changes. Alright, perfect. Nice. App layout, I don't think it has changed anything here. Global CSS files. Okay, I thought it was already there, but I guess not. Alright, we'll just go with it. Wonder what it's doing. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. I mean, these definitely work, but what's going on? Fixed. Okay. Honestly, I'm just gonna do this. See what this does. is so unfortunate. Alright. Seems like changing the global and the CSS file from having, what was it? Rid of all the changes or the styles, but the typography works on the preview. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what this does. CSS configuration. So what are you doing here? Gotcha. Alright, we'll just accept that, I guess. Oh my god. We're gonna stop it for now. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Alright, we accepted those changes. What did you just change now? Alright, sure. Need to check the current state of the global that's file. Did I fix your configuration? Sure. I have a feeling this is what I'm gonna do. Why is this always so hard, man? Wasn't that installed already? What's right here? What's right here then? I'm just gonna skip this. Brother, I already said I would skip. What file exactly needs? No turbo pack? Yeah, whatever. Why is this always so hard, man? It is just never easy now, is it? What exactly did you do now? No. Wait a minute, what? Hello? How are you? Does this work? Everything? I think, if I'm not right. Hello? Hey. Hello? Hey. We'll skip this for now. Sure. I have no idea what file this might be. It's still crazy. in, what is it, like 10 minutes, 20 minutes. I was able to just make this thing. Alright, I do want to see if I do something like Python import os dem a blah def say hello print hello. Oh jeez. If bro, this is crazy. I think just note import hey hey try to do JavaScript, I guess. Import hello from hey. Dude, this is honestly kind of crazy. Camera dev. Run command. So JavaScript code. This is Python code. Bro, this is crazy, man. I mean, except for these. We'll try. But honestly, this is beyond crazy. I do wonder. Test. I want to copy all this and just call it test. You know what? There's no way to like save it. So like phone occurred just like hello. Oh no, it did. Imagine if I could like drag it in there. It did save it. Okay, interesting. Folder. Just go to brand new doc. Oh Jesus, I am impressed. I am impressed. Damn. Everything works perfect. Except for list and checks. No, except for check items. For example, just wrap in here to do this place no check box. Alright. This is crazy, if I'm being honest. But you know what? Checkbox has my board line. Well, it's just like we could later configure the React Markdown component with the proper plugins and make it have flavored Markdown. I need to first understand the structure of the project. examine, and you know what? I'm gonna copy this just in case. Alright. I mean, this is clarity on time. And then also this. But honestly, this works just fine. Where's inline previews? Return inline match. Okay. Yes, let's fucking run it. Why not? Alright, awesome. And we'll stop this. We'll stop the app. Okay. Yes, sure. I do want to see where that. Okay, so it's coming from here. Is that really where you need to pull it from? Prism as syntax highlighting, which I think is just for code. Yeah, it's literally just for code. I guess it's not gonna have me run it. Compiling. See? Oh, okay, yep, that makes sense. Dude, this is crazy. This is crazy. Oh, man. Well, there we have it. This is honestly crazy. In 25 minutes, we were able to create this. Obviously, it doesn't look the greatest, but man, just giving us some sentences of what I wanted and some errors I was looking at, I was able to just get this. Damn. Alright, well, there we have it. Let me know what you guys think. I'm honestly super impressed. Alright, see you next time.